Hey guys, and here we are once again with the KHADAS VIM2. Now yesterday we took a look on how to install a dual operating system on this machine, Linux, Ubuntu, Mate Plus, Android, besides the other options that we have available. And today I just want to share with you a quick overview plus some benchmarks and real-world performance as a Android TV box. And we are back. So starting with the unboxing experience, as you guys can see on screen, really simple unboxing. The package looks really clean with a book style package, which I do believe that it's original. Now inside we will find the KHADAS box, of course a USB cable that will be able for charging and a brochure. Now taking a look at the design itself, this is one of the things, as I mentioned on the last video, that I really enjoy in this particular box because we are able to see all the components inside. So although it's nothing original and so on and so forth, because we have seen other devices with this kind of design, I do believe that it's pleasant to have a device with this kind of look, especially for those that love technology. Now once we take a look at the build quality, I would say that this is not the best plastic that I found. It's also not the worst plastic that I found so far. I do believe that the goal here is transparency instead of solid device, so I would say that's acceptable for what it is. And then in terms of connectivity and also in terms of buttons, I'll give you guys an image on screen so that you can see all the ports that there are, and also of course here on the right side of the box also the buttons that we have available, that I already explained their functions on the previous video. Now that being said guys, really quickly let's move on to some benchmarks and also real-world performance as usual, and I'll be back in a few moments to make a conclusion.
I could always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here standing by your side. Open up your heart and let me in. I promise not to break you. I promise I'll be all that you want. So let me in my heart before. Let me in. Oh, your love explodes. Our heart implodes. Your love explodes. Our hearts implode.
So in conclusion, guys, as you had the chance to see, the only issue that I found was in terms of Android gaming. This device did not deliver as expected. Now, this is not a hardware issue, it's firmware. Hopefully it will get fixed in the future, but let's see. Now, as you could see, Respawnables, which is one of my favorite games, could not load at all, and Asphalt Extreme was not playable at all. A lot of drop frames and a really low frame rate, so impossible to play. On the other hand, Asphalt 8, it did play great. So as you can see, it's not the hardware, it is a situation of firmware. If we take a look at GameStream, it's just an awesome experience. So the machine is totally capable. For the rest of the tests you guys had the chance to see, I do believe that someone getting this particular box will not look into it as a gaming machine, but I do believe that it's important to have everything available so that we don't have a con that will retract us to purchase this box. And at this moment, the only con that I see, it's on the Android gaming side of things. And that is it. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did so, don't forget that usual thumbs up. My name is Roberto Jorge, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.